If you want to mirror a video in VLC, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Mirroring a video is useful if you want to flip the image for a preview, fix the orientation, or create a mirrored effect without needing any extra editing software. And the best part is, VLC makes it really simple. If this video helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the video you want to mirror inside VLC Media Player. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into VLC, or by opening VLC first and then selecting your video from your computer. Once the video is loaded and playing, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, choose Effects and Filters. This is where VLC keeps a lot of its video adjustment settings, including visual effects. After the Effects and Filters window opens, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click on the Video Effects tab. This section lets you adjust different visual settings for your video, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place. Now click on the Advanced tab within the Video Effects area. This is where VLC keeps some of the more specific transformation options, including the mirror effect. Once you're in the Advanced tab, look for the box next to Mirror and check it. As soon as you enable it, VLC will mirror the video display for you. This is a simple but powerful effect, and you should be able to see the change right away in the video window. After you've enabled the mirror setting, don't forget the final step. Click Save to apply the effect and keep the setting active. If you close the window without saving, the change may not stick, so make sure you confirm it before you move on. And that's it. You've now learned how to mirror a video in VLC using the built-in video effects tools. It's fast, free, and perfect when you need a mirrored view without complicated editing. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more VLC tips and software walkthroughs, and I'll see you in the next one.